Hi, this is Naughty Nana, come to show you how to play Minecraft. First of all, you need to go to the Minecraft site to download the application if you don't have it already. It's minecraft.net. You can search for Minecraft on the web and bring up the site. And there's the Get Minecraft button that you select to get your application. You can play it on a number of different types of platforms, but we're going to choose computer, and you can either choose PC or Mac. I'm playing on my PC, so if you've got a PC, you select that. Now with the PC, there are two editions. If you're going to play with lots of other people, you want to select the Java edition. So you select the Java edition, and that will bring up the Minecraft, and you can buy it and download it as normal. You have to choose your name, and then once you've downloaded the app, it will bring you to the launcher. And with the you can see this is Minecraft Java. Zamina is my name, and you hit play, and that will bring up Minecraft. To start with, while you're learning, select single player, and we're going to create a new world. So you hit the button create new world, and you enter the name that you would like to name your world. Leave the game mode on survival while you're learning. There are so many options along the way, but we're just going to do something really simple to start with. So you create the new world. Minecraft is the most played game in the world, and it's great. It's not an adventure one. It's about building and surviving. Oh, look, and here's our world. And if you move your mouse, you'll be able to look around the world. See there, if you move it up, you can see there's sky and some clouds. And oh, look, there's a horse up there, and some flowers and some grass. And the first thing, oh, and there's the sun up there. Now, the first thing you need to do is to move up and back and up and back, and you do that using the W key on the keyboard. Move up, W, move back using the S key. W key up, S key back. To the left you go A, to the right you go D. So up, back, right, left. Now what were the keys to go up? That's right, W, and to go back, S, to go left, A, to go right, D. Now I'm going to leave you there and go on, and I'll meet you in the next video, and I'll leave you to download and do your practice. And then when you've had a little practice, you just hit escape to come out, and that will, you can either bring you the game menu, go back to the game, or it can save and quit. And I'm going to save and quit, so saving the world, and I'll come back to you in the next video.